As a communal leader, I started this project because we have been doing a lot of gotong royong. We also noticed a lot of palm trees around my area, and I see that is composting in the soil. So that is the time where it struck my mind. When my young days, we are using this palm leaf material for food packaging. Especially my grandmother used to pack food for dosa and food for even for plantation. When we go for rubber tapping and all that, she used to pack food for us in the plantation area. So that's how I started, and we started this from the backyard of my house.
这个果园我种了4年多5年，全部有30亩。我也是完全没有打到药水，有机啦。叫我知道目前是没有什么害虫来吃它的果还是树叶之类啦，目前没有了。
So he came and approached us with introducing these Fallaleaf products, and then we were very impressed at that time because one, it's being a local product, it's 100% local Malaysian made, being totally eco-friendly products that could totally compostable in like 2 months time. So there is actually zero waste.
First and foremost, it's natural, it's completely natural. There's no chemicals, there's no lamination whatsoever. You can touch it, you can feel it, you can smell it. You already know it's going to be a natural product.
We collect the leaves, naturally dropped from the palm trees. So we don't use any chemical or nothing of that sort, because compostable means that it can naturally dissolve in the soil by water and by carbon dioxide. This can naturally dissolve and disappear in the soil. That's why I can say that my product leaves no print.
I think it's very good ideas. It's innovative ideas. It's natural. The product is natural, and furthermore, it's chemical free. We have to go. We can produce mass in a mass. As we come from the semi-auto and automation. So that's the best way.
So from a chendol machine, I started to scrap using my hand and trying to run the product, to form the product. Then it is a step by step. We went to the next stage using a pinion and rack machine. We are using a leg and a hand system, and then I went into the single head machine, the hydraulic one way of hydraulic system, and then came to the double head, and then now the latest one we are using all the semi-auto 5-head machine where we can increase the productivity.
First time when they were invited to visit the factory, they are very impressed because of the environment that actually produce these products. And it's very clean and very hygienic, which is very important, especially when we deal with products that get in touch with food. Yeah.
We have patented this our process. Actually, I think we are the only one in the world where we are doing automation, where we have a UVI system, we have a clean room process. We are really following the real GMP process. Even the water, refiltered water, where it is latest technology we are bringing in. Fallaleaf is the product with a lot of good GMP process and with a good SOP.
We need to spearhead because of at the moment they are the pioneer in this product. They are the pioneer. They can innovate the product into a really functional and practical for producing like dinner plate. The market alone is very vast. For example, the bakeware, even the pizza pan. There's very huge market.
The first reaction we always get was like, oh, what, so nice, this is so nice. It's not like the normal paper plates and like those polystyrene plates. Yeah, so they were very amazed and pretty impressed by the quality of the plates. Then because we are a restaurant, then we also do catering outside, sometimes events and functions. So we found out about Fallaleaf and we felt that it's really suitable for our needs. The thickness is very good for, let's say, some semi-liquid food, like gravies. It doesn't really like sieve through the plate. Yeah, so it's very useful, very added value, I would say. Yeah.
When we tell our customers that it's actually local made products, then they are like surprised that we have that kind of standard. And secondly, being the quality of it, it is very durable. And of course, the design. The design is trendy, is stylish, and it is, the texture of the leaves still remained on the tableware, which is very, very nice. In terms of tablewares or as an alternative disposable tableware. So to them, they say it's durable. Also because of the design, squarish, and yeah, they actually love it.
We are not just based on a round shape and a square shaped plate. Constantly we're trying to come up with different shapes and different functions for the material that we have, because we have such an amazing material that we play with. Like in a aisle, right, in the supermarket, you will see that Fallaleaf products have all different shapes, that you can use it in the microwave, you can use it in the oven, you can use it in the refrigerator. We're probably the only product in the market that can actually be used for hot and cold storage and also food.
有很多不同的，也是可以人家在煮西洋粿条也是拿来做包装，它的香味应该比较好吃，还是有它的原理了。
I personally use these to bake cakes in them, and pies and tarts, and what I find from them is, compared to using other kinds of materials, the cake is more fluffier, it's more moist, it smells better. It's like cooking something with leaf. Like in Malaysia, we say like you make ikan bakar, which is like you're roasting fish but using leaf to get the infused smell, and also you get the tenderness of the meat.
I had a very good experience in Singapore. One of the best kway teow seller in Geylang Airport, old airport. These guys have been queuing up for eat this kway teow. I said, you give a try on using our plate, definitely you'll get more customers. People look for you because of plate also part of it. You have the best seller, plus also you also can improvise on your serving utensil for them. So that's where from 250 plates it went up to 400 plates a day for him sales. So he have remarkably have increased his sales in this. So that's where he became a very good friends, and till now we still have the linkage and doing very well with it.
So sometimes we have tea parties, and then we use that as the serving tableware. So it's really very good mood setting, especially if we are doing those nature oriented setting. So it actually fits into the whole ambience very, very well. So I think we love that.
It's nice, very presentable as well for our clients. It's always positive, compliments on the plates, That's why we always go back to Fallaleaf for our functions.
And if they can actually reuse it because it's durable and it's thicker, so they can actually, after use, they wash it up, and if they dry properly, and they can store it to reuse.
There's no stain on it, or if they just use it for dry food or anything like that, they would keep reusing it at least for 10 to 12 times.
I started this product as use and throw. That is what our initial thing. But a lot of my customers, they start to call me. I say, why must I use and throw when I can use many times? There is something new that I'm learning from them.
Even with the waste, we can chop it up, cut it out, and turn it into mulch. We even give it to landscapers. Some of them even feed it to cows.
Actually, sustainable community means I feel like we work within ourselves, or we work as a community base. When I do this production, I also feel like a lot of kampung folks and all this, they can also grow these trees. There's substantial income for them.
Kita tidak menggunakan sebarang bahan kimia. Kawasan persekitaran di tempat kerja yang agak bersih, teratur. Pengalaman bekerja di sini amat unik bagi saya. Di sini, di Fallaleaf, satu-satunya syarikat yang mengeluarkan produk semula jadi di Malaysia. Saya amat berbangga menjadi sebahagian daripada pekerja di Fallaleaf.
it's not only film obligation, it's Malaysian obligation, the Malaysian obligation, to take care of the environment. It's high time,
Apart from us doing our market research and we observe, we talk to people, we listen to the people in the industry. Apart from that, we also touch base with our clients. We try to get as much of suggestions, as much of the opinions that the public have, and also our wholesalers, our hoteliers, our restaurateurs, and all our other clients, even our retail supermarket corporate side of the business itself. We try to get as much suggestions and touch base with all these clients and see how we can constantly improve our product, because we, at the end of the day, do not want to just be about plates. We want to be a lifestyle solution.
We can establish that at the end of the day, talk about OP, talk about this DINNERWARE is Fallaleaf. That's the aim, And we are not talking about nation. We're talking about the whole world.
Fallaleaf is a green product in a growing market. There will always be a need for disposable dinnerware. All we're trying to do is create and provide a solution for a growing eco-conscious society.
We are already producing dinnerware plates. We are also coming out with multi-usage product. That is even for other things like craft tangan, or we're going to come out with a bakery. We're going to come out with products where it is also for packaging. We're also thinking that we can also coming out with fork and spoons, cups. When we go to the supermarket, there is a Fallaleaf thing where you go, it's a one-stop center. You get everything. Our mission is a very big mission. Everybody in the world tomorrow can use my Fallaleaf material. That will be my mission.